But that is all that.
Yeah, but when you build it, it starts to look so cool because all the like what do you call it? When you build it, it looks so cool for the body kit. I swear, Travis, last time I did it, it was so cool. Oh my gosh, man. With my crown, with my brain.
Okay, I'm gonna start building this thing.
I'm already at 2,158 miles HP, and I haven't put all my stuff on yet.
You start with 500 of that. Bro, that's okay.
Bumper skibbity sig.
But I already have 1,374 HP from the ready.
Bro, I got 2,805 HP. Now I put the LT5 engine. Now I got 3,635 HP. Oh,
Hey,
flip.
what's your rating with the car?
What?
What's your rating for the car?
My rating?
Yeah.
I don't know. My rate? Oh, it's X. It's in the X.
But I'm making my own tune with the Corvette.
No, I don't make tunes on my cars. I don't need tunes. My cars are already so fast. Jakes, I make tunes on my cars.
Okay, I made my own tune. Let's see how good my custom tune is.
Bro, my Corvette looks so cool. I
Well,
love
I'm using Dawn, the premium one.
Dawn.
Yeah, the one that you can get from Crate.
Oh, I'm using them. I use all my. I have so much body kits. My car looks like an alien. I don't know why.
Wait, you have like every single body kit.
What? Me? Yeah, I got almost every
Yeah.
single body kit. I
No,
had
you
the
get.
limited body kits. It's just I sold them.
But no, this car's OP, bro.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I guess
That's
the
the
fire
sound. That's the
goes where he
all.
goes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I guess it's
I
like
guess it is.
where he goes. I'm in the thick of it.
Mom.
Everybody knows. They know me and they know. They know me.
I don't
I'm
know.
in the thick of it. Everybody knows. They know me. My car's gonna look so crazy. I'm in the thick of it.
Mom. Mom.
I'm in the thick of it. Everybody knows. They know me and my show.
I skidding and they froze. I don't know nothing, but my mind's just too cold.
No, oh my gosh, my car looks like a freaking stick. Oh my god, this car
Did
looks
you
so
just say
cool.
you're? Are you kidding? I hate this game.
To the
I'm deleting.
screens and a ring to the
I'm
fancy.
deleting this game.